So you are interested in Hamilton Beach 58148A. No doubt it is a wise choice, and it is one of the top 5 countertop blenders on the market now. You will find the latest price in the description down below. And if you'd like to know the other 4 products of the top 5 countertop blenders, please don't hesitate to click on the link that appears in the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, now let's talk about the Hamilton Beach 58148A. If you're looking for a great countertop blender but you're on a strict budget, then the Hamilton Beach 58148A may well be the way to go. The Hamilton Beach 58148A is the tool you need in your kitchen. Powered by a 700-watt peak power, this blender makes quick work of crushing ice and blending frozen fruit, leaving you with delicious frozen drinks anytime you desire. It's easy to use. Just add the liquid, followed by the other ingredients, and blend. With 12 blending functions, you're sure to find the right setting for a creamy milkshake or frozen daiquiri. It can also whip up sauces, dressings, and purees. That would be all for this video, and thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.